Untangling first conditionals. Decoding, could. Hello, language learners. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of first conditionals, specifically focusing on how to use the modal verb, could. This will help you express possibilities and potential outcomes in a more nuanced way. Let's get started. Before we dive into the use of could, it's essential to understand first conditionals. These are sentences that express a condition and its likely result. They often include an if clause and a main clause. For example, if it rains, I will stay at home. Now, let's introduce our star of the day, the modal verb, could. It's often used to express possibility, ability in the past, or as a polite way of asking for something. But in the world of conditionals, could has a special role to play. It helps us express a possible action or outcome in the main clause that could happen if the condition in the if clause is met. So, how do we use could in first conditional sentences? Simple. We use could in the main clause, while the if clause uses the present simple tense. For example, if you study hard, you could pass the exam. Here, could expresses a possible outcome, passing the exam, based on a condition, studying hard. Let's look at some more examples. If we leave now, we could catch the early train. If she practices daily, she could become a great pianist. Now, it's your turn. Try to create your own first conditional sentences using could. Remember, practice is the key to mastering any new language concept. And that's a wrap on using could in first conditional sentences. I hope this video has shed some light on how this modal verb can be used to express potential outcomes. Remember, mastering conditionals will take your English skills to the next level. So keep practicing, and I'm sure you could become an expert in no time. See you in our next lesson. Happy learning!